How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get six-pack abs step-by-step guide. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So how do you get six-pack abs? Everybody in the world has abs, every single person. Some people have four-pack abs, six-pack abs, eight-pack abs, but everyone has abs. The only issue is that most people cannot see them because the abs are covered with fat. What we need to do is we need to get to a low enough body fat percentage. We get to a lower body fat percentage by losing weight. It's as simple as that. Most guys need about 2,500 calories to maintain. You want to lose weight, you eat 2,000 calories. Girls need about 2,000 calories to maintain. You want to lose weight, eat 1,500 calories. All we're doing is we're putting ourselves in a 500 caloric deficit. In 1 week, that will equal 1 pound of fat loss. There's 3,500 calories for 1 pound of fat. I have been on a weight loss cycle, you guys. I started my weight loss cycle at 192. I'm currently down to 184. It's very simple. I've been hitting my calories for the day every single day. That's the only thing that matters. I've had takeout. I've had cookies. I've had pop. I've had chips. I've had whatever I want because that's the only thing that matters at the end of the day is calories. What people do, obviously we want to eat healthy. I eat mainly healthy. I eat about 80% healthy, 20% dirty. I like the 80-20 method. It's really good if you're trying to do this long term. A lot of people, the biggest mistake they make is they eat too healthy and then they just get cravings and then it just blows up their whole entire diet. So you don't want to do that. You want to make sure that you're eating a little bit of snacks once in a while so that you're not getting insane cravings. Eventually, if you lose enough weight, your abs do start to show. For me, they start to show around 12 to 14% body fat. Typically, I have full six-pack abs at 12% body fat. Most people that try to lose weight, they're about 20-25% body fat, so they do need to lose a little bit of weight. The great thing is that the minute you get to a low enough body fat percentage, your abs do show. There's no ands, ifs about it. You get to a low enough body fat percentage, your abs do start to show. So, for example, I could see my abs at 182. I got down to 184 right now. My abs are extremely shredded. My goal is probably 180. I don't really want to go any lower than maybe 175, but I have 3 weeks left on my diet and that's it. So it's pretty simple. The hardest part of dieting or losing weight is the first 2 days. If you can make it past the first 2 days, weight loss becomes extremely easy. Again, you're just tracking your calories, you're weighing your food, so you know exactly how many calories you are consuming per day. You do this, weight loss becomes easy, you get six-pack abs. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.